Hey friends, welcome back to new vlog of Trip Tour. Let us visit a less explored but beautiful cave in Ernakulam called as Kochareekal cave in this vlog. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. The place is located near Peruvammuzhi in Ernakulam district of Kerala. It takes around 42 km from Cochin to reach this place. The road towards this place is little narrow, so you can park your vehicle on the main road and walk towards this place. The Kochareekal caves is covered with huge trees and you'll get a feel like you are in a deep jungle. Areekal Waterfalls is another good location that you can visit near this place. Near to the cave, you can find a pond with clear water and fishes. The cave is supported by huge roots of the tree. You need to climb upwards by holding the roots to reach the cave. It is so big that it can accommodate up to 20 people. The best time to visit here is during rainy season, when you can see the cave covered with full of greenery. Make sure to wear proper shoes to avoid slippery while climbing up or down. If you are in or around Ernakulam, please visit this place and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.